Marcia,
Yeah.
explain to me what we're about to witness here.
Well, we're about to witness a dog getting into some mischief. And, well, maybe this will teach him a lesson.
Xavier, what have you been doing? Huh? What have you been doing, buddy? What have you been getting into? Xavier. Xavier, come here. Come on. Come on, Xavier. Come on. Come here. What'd you do? What'd you do? Huh? What'd you do? No, you want it back?